Is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, 650 US banks and credit unions are ready to offer Bitcoin purchases. Impatient to compete with crypto exchanges, US financial institutions are set to offer crypto to millions of clients, according to Forbes magazine. Mobile applications specially built by payment providers will introduce cryptocurrency trading to an estimated 24 million clients, offering them a fast lane to buy and spend Bitcoin within their existing accounts. Crypto payment company Flexa is enabling clients in 600 retail shops to start using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, coin, and other cryptos for buying gas and other goods. Manish,
Wow.
24 million clients coming in.
Yep. And I was just browsing through the Forbes website.
Mm,
I saw a statement from Mr. Douglas Brown, NCR president of digital banking, said, "We are firm believers in the benefit of crypto and its strategic application. And that's true for our banking relationships, as a witnessed by NYDIG and across retailers as well as restaurant and the like." So yeah, it's a powerful move, and it's going to be a great future for Bitcoins. And
exactly.
yeah, we are going to be benefited. Yes.
Yeah, it looks like not only that. I think today there was a German law allowing 415 billion investment into crypto. Also, it's a special fund to invest 20% of their assets in crypto. So,
In past 1 month, I am only hearing a good news about the Bitcoins, not
mm,
about majority cryptos, but for Bitcoins, back to back good news are coming in past 20 days.
exactly.
Starting from El Salvador, when
Yeah, I
started.
Yeah, actually true. Once El Salvador started as a country, then Michael Saylor coming in as a corporate company, and then countries just continue to go, and now banks are rushing. So, Germany, right,
Yeah,
coming in 20% of their 400 billion they're going to pour in. I mean, over a period of time, they're not that stupid. They've been in this business for some time,
yeah,
but
and this 650 US bank has a 24 million customers. So imagine, my God,
amazing, amazing.
amazing.
In another news, the government also needs to know more about crypto before it can regulate it. That was a central premise of Congress hearing yesterday, devoted to the risk of crypto being presented to retailers and institutional investors. The hearing will assess the systemic risk to the economy as well as the risk to the loss of the individual investors caused by recent periods of extreme volatility in crypto assets that are not backed by any form of tangible collateral. Before regulators can get clear about the risk to consumers or the economy as a whole, they need to get a better grasp on crypto. Based on the 2007 and 2008 financial crisis, there were no official data source for credit default swaps. It's basically a derivatives product that blew the whole world in and the biggest banks, and how to actually move about to regulate them. So I think regulations will be coming in too,
Yeah,
Manish.
regulations, and what next I'm expecting here in Bitcoin and crypto is the tax. So these two things definitely is going to kick in soon. Regulations, because as of now, this is already a decentralized and there is no regulations as of now. So
Yeah,
all every exchange has their own rules and terms. If you go for a if you go for a coin Hako, yeah, Coinbase, they have their own regulations based on their
right.
platforms. So certain cryptos, they are restricting to sending and receiving it. So definitely there should be some centralized regulations.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean it's mostly to protect us, and especially in Singapore. Being in Singapore, we are it's tax free, to invest in any assets. It's the way
But
that
let's
our
see how long we are going to be tax free on this.
Yeah,
That's
yeah. Let's see. I mean, because Singapore, for those who didn't know, we are number one in the economic freedom, and taxation is part of that component.
yeah.
So let's see. That's what Manish said. Another news that I have, the Blockchain Mining Council says that crypto mining industry reliance on sustainable energy makes is looking greener. BMC, which describes itself as a global forum, Bitcoin mining company, and other industries said that in the press statement on Friday that the industry sustainable electricity mix has grown up to 56 during the Q2 based on its first voluntary survey. Let me share my screen. This was a presentation slide by Michael. Yeah, let me just share this. So you can see here in my screen, right? This is the Global Mining Data Review. It was done in July 2021. It's a presentation site by Michael Saylor on
Mm-hmm.
his website. So you can see these are all the companies coming in together, right? It's about 23 mining companies representing about 32% of the network. So, the executive summary, Bitcoin mining uses, the amount of energy rapidly becoming more efficient and powered by higher mix of sustainable energy than any major country or industry. I just want to highlight this. Quite important
Oh,
here. Yeah. So of course they have,
so they are claiming that it's using negligible amount of energy.
yeah,
That's what
more
I can.
than right. So they even gave the chart here. So you can see primary energy consumption, right?
Mm-hmm.
The world, China, US, and then they have this portion which they are talking about on sustainable energy. So we are at the 56 mark, just for Bitcoin compared to the world,
Mm-hmm.
right? So quite interesting document. And the council was also established in May 2021 with the support of the industry, US crypto mining companies, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk, focusing on what Saylor said is a desire to help shape the narrative around Bitcoin's energy use. The survey focused on mining industry, electricity consumption, and sustainable power mix. There will be an ongoing discussion, I think, that will be happening on the 21st between the
Wow.
CEO of Twitter and Elon Musk. I hope this comes out in the discussion um, because we have to move forward, and blockchain technology is here.
Hmm.
There's no evading this.
Quite interesting. Means different people have their different um, view about this energy consumption.
Right. I just like the way they are coming together to pool data,
Yeah.
and it gets you get to actually see, that we are slowly, consumption of the country, and this is something that we need to move forward as it's a web 3.0, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all I have with regards to the news, Manish. Over to you.
Sure. I would like to share my screen first.
Yep. So
Okay.
while Manish sets that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash and subscribe that button. Thank you. Manish, back to you.
All right. So today I'm going to talk about Binance Airdrop. Many of us might have heard about this term, but they are not actually fully aware what exactly it is. And this quite benefiting kind of feature which Binance provide to us, we should be aware of. So Airdrop is a feature which is available in almost all exchange. Airdrop is an event which individual that holds existing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are given token of a new cryptocurrencies. So there are two type of offers going on in the airdrop. So let me go through with the Binance one first. Okay, so Binance has announced their airdrop features, and they are going to continue every month till 2023 2023. So they are going to continue this airdrop every month till 2023. So for this month, as you can see, it's already closed, but upcoming months you can take a benefit of it. Last month they have released for airdrop, which is a deposit Koti. Okay,
Okay, so
so
Manish, help me understand. So Koti is a coin, right?
yeah,
If
Koti
I
is a coin.
purchase this coin, airdrop means that somebody was going to give me something.
Correct. So
Okay.
before you participate, there are some rules, and probably Binance announce before they come up with the airdrop. They announce in their all the social media platform like YouTube, then Telegram and Twitter. So how you can use Binance airdrop? So first step
Wow.
is you have to stay tuned for a news on upcoming airdrops, because every month it comes once and you have to very actively participate on this. And Binance Airdrop offer exclusive airdrop of cryptocurrencies that are soon to be listed on Binance. Mostly it's going to be a new coins. Follow Binance announcement, okay, for the social medias and all those. So then step 2, deposit the featured crypto on a Binance airdrop as soon as possible. Once the announcements and upcoming cryptocurrency listing, Binance airdrop will now allow you to deposit your tokens ahead of trading time. Act fast, because the sooner you deposit, the bigger your rewards will be. So let's take an example here for Koti. All right. Okay. Koti. So here is Koti. So see the deposit progress down here, the chart you can see, right?
Right.
Yeah. So here you can see that there is a total deposit number they have given. If you are buying this many Koti, you will be getting airdrop of 2%. So similar to that, you have 86 million, is it? Okay, 86 million. If you're buying 86 million Koti coin, you're buying it, you're going to get 5% of airdrops for entire Koti coin. Similar to the 10%, you can see it. And see, every time the terms and conditions are different. So what you have to do
Mm.
is
Right.
you have to refer the
To the policies are basically. So Manish,
correct.
when you say 5%, do they give 5% more of the quote, or they will give you another coin?
No,
If I
they'll
own,
give you for Koti. So they are
they give you. Okay.
they'll give you Koti only. Okay. So let me log in. There are certain thing which I want to share here,
Sure.
which is
Yeah, so I think what Manish is saying, airdrop in this is a new term that Binance have. Basically, sometimes if you own a particular coin, they will give you either the same coin, or they give you some other new coins as a means to, entice you to purchase those coins.
yeah. So are you able to see the learn about the project? Yeah, sorry, not learn about the project. Let me show you share this or detail activity rules. Okay. So for Koti, there is a different rule. See
Mm,
here. If you tier one, if you buy first this, you are going to 25%. Okay, so there are tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 and tier 5. So as many coins you're buying it, you're going to get certain percentage, and you will be getting a airdrop for the Koti. But there are some offer comes
mm,
where you hold Ethereum or Bitcoin. So in that case, automatically, if some new coins is going to come or going to be listed in a Binance, they'll give you a certain percentage as a airdrop,
very
and
nice.
being a Bitcoin or Ethereum holder. So that's
Mm,
the benefit you will get it. So this is all about the Bitcoin airdrop. Okay, awesome. Now I want to share some more informations.
yeah.
Since I'm
So
covering lots of how to's, I want to share.
right.
Okay.
So while Manish sets that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button. This channel is to learn, earn, and make money together.
Yeah. So I'm back with the web browser again. So many people ask some small terms, that what is FUD in cryptos, what is Bitcoin, those basic questions. So basic questions, how you can get the information. You just go to Binance Academy, and here all your doubts about the basic things will be clear. How to use wallet connects, you can just refer. This is small course, it's 4 minute, and
Mm,
it's going to give you a brief informations, and in a very engaging way they are going to reveal the information. So just go ahead and just browse through this academy. It's really informative. Even I spend some time here and get lots of information
right.
about the platform and about the cryptos. So you
Mm.
can see here. Then there is something called if you come down, you can see what's that? Sorry, I was about to show you something.
Feel free to type any questions if you have as we go through, because Manish covers a lot of the how tos,
Yeah.
so you can get to
So,
learn.
okay, I was about to share a certain information which is now is missing from, but anyway, if I come across, I'm going to show you again later, probably in upcoming live sessions. Okay, so yeah, that's you can get all the essential informations, blockchain advantage and disadvantages, beginner guide. So you can just browse through first, and also keep an eyes on Bitcoin. So this is very important informations. You can see here it shows how frequently the halving been done for Bitcoins. You can see yeah, the last was happened
Yeah, last I
2020.
think happened in 2020 July or August,
Yeah, so
right?
from here it's going to be on 2024. I'm not sure. There was a timer, a countdown was running here. It was showing how many days we are you
Have.
able to see? I don't think so. Are you able to see now?
No, no,
Um,
you
okay,
removed
okay,
it. Yeah.
okay,
So
okay.
I think what Manish is trying to say is halving basically means the for Bitcoin, right? They will actually reduce the number of percentage the miners can earn, and the
Yeah,
miners when they do their mining basically is to actually crack a code and they get rewarded. So halving will actually remove that. Manish, back to you.
yeah. So in Binance Academy, you want to keep eyes on Bitcoin. You can
Mm,
just click on the link
right.
down here. I was just showing you. Okay, so this says that after these many days is going to have another halving for Bitcoins, which is on 2024, and this many blocks they are going to have a halving. So all the information you can get it in this Binance Academy. You can just go
Awesome.
to home page, browse through. There are tons of the tutorials, the informations are there. You just browse through, and you will be able to know all about crypto and Binance. Okay, and moving forward, we'll keep on coming new tips and tricks and how to's in this our live sessions.
Yeah, so it will be much easier once you know the basic fundamentals of cryptocurrency. When you come on this live, we'll tell you what we are doing, and you can actually participate and make money yourself. Right?
Yep,
We
you're
just
right.
want to empower you. Is that all,
Okay,
Manish?
yeah, so that's all I have it.
Okay. So let me share my screen. Again, we will look at the markets. What's happening in the markets? So for the we are still at the 20 mark, no change, right? Because we are still in a distribution stage in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin actually moves the market. It's a market leader, right? So again, slightly a bit down. We will only see this run most likely sometime in July. Just to let you know, for those who are coming in, extreme fear basically becomes buying opportunities, and when people get too confident and or the greedy, then it's due for correction. So you always want to find that nice position in terms of understanding market cycle and the psychology of the market, and to buy in at the right time. On the stock side of things, we look at the stocks mostly because the dollar, the US dollar, seems to have a opposite between the Bitcoin. So when US dollar is up, Bitcoin is down. When Bitcoin is down, the US dollar is up. Currently, now this VIX index actually measures the buying and selling with a few parameters similar to the crypto fear and greed. The VIX actually is just telling me that the market right now is not in a fear state. The last fear state was during the COVID, right? You can see it was about 75 to 80. So during the pandemic, everybody was selling. There was some panic selling that's happening. A lot of companies lost more than 50 to 60% of their initial value. So let's move on to the top 10. Yeah, so this is the heat map. Again, you can see the dominance of Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, right? The blocks actually represents the whole entire market, right? We have about 10,000 cryptos, 384 exchanges, Bitcoin takes about 50%, followed by about 30% of Ethereum, and then the remaining of the altcoins. But we are looking at a $1.4 trillion market cap, so that's a lot of money inside this space. But today it's a slow week and it's a bloodbath. You can see a lot of red here, except for USDT and a few other cryptos. Let me move on. So you can see the crypto counts is coming up, right? Exchanges 304, market cap is 1.3. We drop a bit, so I'm actually keeping eye on the market cap because we just saw Germany having that 20% of that $415 billion of money that will be poured into the market. We have 650 US banks coming in also. So expect this market cap to go up. When the flow of money comes into this market cap, you will start to see a lot of the coins being inflated. There will be a bull run. So dominance is here, 45 and 17.6. So let's see what's happened in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is down by 1.28. Ethereum is down by 3.42. USDT is up by 0.02. Binance Coin is down by 3.27. Cardano is up by 1.34. Dogecoin is down by 3.46. XRP is down by 3.65. USD is up by 0.02, and Polkadot is down by 3.14. Binance is up slightly by 0.3. Uniswap down by 4.27, and Solana is down by 4.42. Again, on the 6 months cap, we always just like to keep eyes here, right? So the last 6 months, everything was we're still in the green, although we are learning a lot of FUD meaning fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the marketplace based on news. But nevertheless, looking at all this percentage, it's definitely more than traditional investments, right? For 6 months, so you can kind of imagine an annualized return. And Solana, of course, one of our favorite coins, is at 1,000, followed by Doge, which is 4,000 this year. Good run up before
Yeah.
the fall.
So this over the weekend it'll be
Yeah,
moving down only mostly.
yeah.
Nothing,
So
no
you're right.
improvements. Yeah.
Correct. Let's go over to the technical. So I made a few changes to the technical charts. Right now you can see I'm using SMAs just to track the def cross, right? A 200 EMA, sorry, not EMA, a 200 SMA, or moving average MA, and a 50 based on the yellow and red. So you can actually see this actually happened sometime in June 19, and we were hit with a kind of a moving down average, which actually hits back the support line. So nothing to be fearful of the technical of the death cross. We also have the Bollinger. So I decided to put the Bollinger, which is a video that I've created on YouTube. So check out our video there on how to actually interpret this. So basically, I the pink line is the bottom, right? I have the medium, which is the blue, and I have the green, which is the top. So I would buy here, I would sell here, I would buy somewhere here, or if it touches, let me see. Yeah, slightly here. It's almost touching. I would buy here, and I would sell here. I would buy here. I would sell here. I would buy here. I would sell here. But look what happened. So this is the part where you have to understand Bollinger, because if you waited for to buy, you would have bought somewhere here, which is okay, and lucky you would have sold it here to make
Mm,
this spread. But there are cases where you might you might buy, because this is channel, meaning is moving slightly bullish, and then it became a bear, right? You can see this drop here. So there are cases where you buy at the low and it drops, and then that's where you may want to do dollar cost average, right? That's where dollar cost average comes in. So now we purchase here Bitcoin, so we could have sold it here, right? But our philosophy for Bitcoin is to hold. So if you use Bollinger, use it for any other coins to buy low and sell high, buy low, sell high, right? So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, and this is on a 1 day chart. So settings and all, and you can see the volume. So keep an eye on the volume. There was a heavy selling on the day, and then next day the buy comes in, and you can see this rainbow line basically is the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is just a guide to give you an assessment of where the market is right now. So the support line we are looking at is about 31,000, right? It's about thereabouts, and we have resistance around the 30 39 towards the 40. That's the main resistance. But since we are being rejected at the 36,000, so right now, since it's trading at 33,000, we might be rejected at 36,000, and we have support at 31,000. We are in the middle, so it can go up, it can go down. So something to take note on Bollinger. If you have any questions, just do post it in the questions below. I'll be able to answer that. That's all I have before we can move. So guys, check out the website, right? So we have a lot of things there on the website, and you can connect with us daily live. If you have any questions, we are trying to put more educational content for you guys. So yeah, do spend some time there. Let me just head over to, that's all I have, Manish, for today. We can just
Yeah.
do a recap. Let me just get on the channel. Yeah, so today, guys, we actually covered a few things. Just before we wrap up, unless you have any questions, we spoke about the 650 US banks, right? They are actually coming in to support retailers, and the company is now enabling retailers to start using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge in the United States alone. And this is something to buy gas and other goods. So it seems like the banks are now rushing, because I think they start to see El Salvador and Paraguay, making Dogecoin as part of their day to day living. So that's something. And then we also spoke about Germany. Germany is pumping in about 20% of $415 billion. So it's good. The money is going to start to flow in, and you start to see this nice bull run all the way to December, most likely hitting another 5x, hopefully this year. Minimally about 150,000 for Bitcoin. Max would be about 400,000 for Bitcoin. For you
Yeah.
guys listening on the Instagram, you can actually join us on YouTube and Facebook, and you can post your questions there.
Yeah.
Um,
So after the news, we covered about the airdrop,
mm,
which where I talk about three steps. The first one, stay tuned on news for upcoming airdrop from a Binance social media platform like Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Then step two, I talk about deposit the featured crypto on Binance airdrop as soon as possible. Once the Binance announce an upcoming cryptocurrencies listing Binance airdrop, then you start investing on the upcoming cryptos. And do check out the offers on the offer tiering. Like in tier 1 they are going to give you a certain percentage, tier 2 they are going to give you a certain percentage. So check out the offer of airdrop and participate accordingly. Then step 3, get benefited and get a free coins in your Binance app through the airdrop. So yeah, we covered in how to sections only airdrop, and then after that Wayne covered about the technical analysis.
yep. So that's all we have for today. Do join us same time, same channel tomorrow.
All right, so tomorrow I think Loon also will be joining us.
Yes, that's right. So Loon.
Yeah.
So that's all I have, Manish.
Yeah, and if you have any further questions, please let us know.
Take care, guys. Enjoy the TGIF.